Prepare a set of hexagonal wrenches and a fill. Find the wire feeding guide pipe and connect one end with a thread to the wire. There is a cross screw on the side. Insert the threaded head of the threading guide pipe into the tight. Open the prepared welding wire. Unscrew the fixing nut on the fixing column. Install the upper welding wire disc. Insert welding wire. Press down the wire feeding motor and push on two red fixing handles. Take out the signal connection wire between the wire feed. Connect one end to the back of the. Connect the other three-core interface to the wire feeder and turn on the power switch on the welding machine. Password 123456 to enter the system for debugging. Perform parameter adjustments. Turn on the power supply of the wire feeder. Press and hold the manual wire feed. As the internal operation of the wire feeder is normal. Waiting for thread production. Press and hold the manual threading button. Adjustment of spinning parameters. There is wire coming out of the wire outlet. Pick up the welding gun. Tighten the screws by fixing the wire outlet and welding head together. Open the argon supply valve. Pick up the welding gun for operation.